Hello mga freelancers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alam ko po, excited na kayo sa video tutorial na to dahil nalalapit na nga po yung ating deadline para sa annual ITR filing. At marami na rin po sa inyo yung nanghihingi ng update about sa topic na to. Although it took me some time to finally come up with this video tutorial dahil tinapos ko po muna yung proseso sa BIR and I wanna make sure na tamang impormasyon lamang po yung ma-share ko sa inyo. And siguro dapat aware din po tayo na once in a while nagre-release po ang BIR ng mga memorandum about changes sa pagpa-file o kaya naman po extension of deadlines. So, ang maganda po niyan, lagi po nating, or kaya let's make it a habit to check their BIR website o kaya naman i-follow sila sa kanilang Facebook page para sa mga announcement and other updates. So, meron po tayong dalawang paraan kung paano magpa-file. Una, yung tinatawag na manual filing. Ito po yung magda-download tayo ng blank form online mula sa kanilang website. Tapos, ipiprint out siya sa 3 kopya. At saka po natin siya fill upan manually. Ngayon, pwede din naman electronic filing. Ito naman yung gagamit tayo ng offline eBIRforms. At yan po yung ituturo ko sa inyo mamaya. So, our next step is to pay our tax obligation. Kung wala ka namang babayaran para ngayong annual ITR, you can skip this process and proceed to the next step. So, there are different ways to pay our taxes. We have AAB or Authorized Agent Bank, Municipal Collection Officer, and ePay. So, for Authorized Agent Bank, ito po yung mga bangko na within the jurisdiction of your RDO. Usually, nakapaskil po yan sa kanya-kanya nating RDO together with their address and contact number. So, be sure to verify with them first before you drop by kasi I had this experience na nagpunta na ako sa bangko, magbabayad na ako, and then hindi na pala sila nag-accept ng tax payments. Pero once na ma-confirm mo na okay pa rin naman at nag-accept pa rin sila ng bayad sa BIR, then all you have to do is kung ikaw yung nag-file manually, bring yung pinilapan mong form. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-electronic filing, magdadala ka lang din ng form, tsaka email confirmation, all in triplicate copies. And then, pagdating naman sa Municipal Collection Officer, halos same process lang din. Pero, hindi siya advisable kasi there are reported cases sa ibang lugar na hindi or ibinubulsa daw ng collection officer yung bayad. And I haven't tried this method yet, so I cannot confirm if this is true. Pero kung makakapag-produce naman sila ng official receipt as a proof of payment, then I guess that's valid. Otherwise, meron pa namang ibang option tulad ng ePay or electronic payment. So here are the following channels. We have LandBank, Unionbank, BBP, or GCash. So, among all these electronic payment option, ang talaga pong ginagamit ko is GCash kasi mas convenient siya. And yan din po yung payment tutorial na ituturo ko sa inyo mamaya-maya lamang. If you filed manually at wala kang babayaran or nakapagbayad ka na gamit yung napili mong mode of payment, ang next step mo is to proceed to your RDO para patatakan siya tulad nito. Pero kung nag-file ka naman electronically, hindi mo naman na talaga kailangang magpa-receive ng iyong annual ITR, and base na rin yan sa Revenue Memorandum Circular number 24-2018, and pwede mo itong i-search sa kanilang BIR website. Basahin ko po yung nakasaad dito na taxpayer who have electronically filed or paid ITRs using eBIRforms without any attachments required need not to submit printed copy of e-filed tax returns to the concerned LTS office or RDO. So, ayan, hindi na po talaga kailangan patatahan. Pero kung ikaw kailangan mo ng annual ITR as a requirement for housing, bank, or car loans, that's the only time that you'll have to visit your RDO para patatakan siya kasi ang hinahanap dyan is yung merong stamp. Pero kung hindi naman talaga kailangan patatakan, siguro ang isasuggest ko na lang, you can keep records of your e-filed returns. You can save it on your flash drive, sa cloud storage platform, o kaya naman, you can print a copy, kahit isa lang, and then compile it in a folder or envelope. And para kung sakasakaling magkaroon ka man ng open case sa BIR, wag naman sana na nakasaad doon na hindi ka daw nag-file ng iyong annual ITR. At least you have something to show. You can show the document as a proof na nag-file ka naman talaga. So, namili din po ako ng ilang mga questions about annual ITR na ipinost nyo dito sa YouTube. So, let's discuss them first before we proceed with the tutorial. So, for our first question, galing to kay Franz Michael Saldua. Ang tanong niya, kailan po babayaran ng quarterly income tax graduated rates itemized deduction? Actually, wala na po tayong fourth quarter income tax return dahil ang tawag po sa kanya is annual income tax return. So, kung naaalala nyo, nung first, second, and third quarter filing, ang gamit nating form is 1701Q. Ngayong annual income tax filing ang gagamitin natin. For example, ikaw ay naka-graduated rates with itemized deduction. Ang gagamitin mong form is 1701. At para naman po doon sa mga naka-graduated rates with graduated rates with optional standard deduction or yung nag-avail na ng 8% flat rate, ang gagamitin naman nating form is 1701A. Ngayon, ang tanong mo, kailan yung deadline? Actually, pare-pareho lang yung deadline natin. That would be on April 15. Pero again, always check with the BIR website or Facebook page nila para sa baka magkaroon ng extension of deadlines. And for our second question, galing naman po ito kay Tito Pangga. Ang tanong niya is, kailangan po bang mag-file ng quarterly income tax kung nagbabayad na ng annual income tax? Yes po. So, katulad nga po nung nabanggit ko sa unang question kanina, quarterly po talaga ipina-file ang income tax, pero nagkataon lang po na yung pinakapang fourth quarter, ang tawag na po sa kanya is annual income tax return, at ibang form na din po yung ginagamit dyan. And then additional information na lang din po, tayo po kasing mga taxpayer, iba-iba po yung rate natin. Depende po sa pinili natin. Meron pong mga naka-graduated rates na maliban sa income tax ay nagbabayad din po ng percentage tax every quarter. So, dalawa po yung binabayaran nila at ipina-file. Pagdating naman po sa mga naka 8%, ang binabayaran, ang tax obligation lang nila is income tax. Ngayon, kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan at hindi malinaw, mga bagay na hindi malinaw sa inyo pagdating dun sa tax obligation nyo, it's always good to ask your RDO about it para mas maintindihan nyo siya. And you can also email them if you want. I will post the email address ng BIR dyan po sa video description. For our next question, galing naman to kay Alan Simbahon at ang tanong niya is, ask ko lang po dahil ang pinilapan ko po is graduated IT rate sa first and second dahil kakasimula lang po namin sa business. Pwede po ba i-change sa 8% IT rate by this coming third and annual ITR? Sorry Alan, pero hindi ka na pwedeng mag-shift to 8% flat rate. Kasi ang policy dyan, kung ano yung rate na pinili mo during the first quarter filing of income tax, yun na yung mag-a-apply sa buong taon. Ngayon, if you're still interested to switch to 8%, pwede pa rin naman. Just make sure na qualify ka ha. And then, pagdating ng first quarter income tax filing ngayong 2020, i-avail mo na yung 8%. I also have a video discussion about this, so I hope mapanood mo yon para mas maintindihan mo yung 8% flat rate. For our next question, galing naman to kay Ira Jane Cruz. Ang question niya is, qualified pa din ba mag-opt for 8% IT flat rate kahit below 250K ang annual income? Ibig sabihin po ba nun walang babayaran if 250K below then nag-opt for 8% flat rate. Okay, let's clarify this ha. So Ira, hindi binabase sa 250k below annual income ang qualification ng pag-avail ng 8%. So, base sa BIR website, ang mga qualified to avail of 8% flat rate ay yung mga self-employed individual whose gross sales or receipt does not exceed 3 million. So, technically, kung below 250,000 yung annual income mo, you're qualified for 8%. For your second question, actually, kahit ano namang rate mo, mapag-graduated rate or 8%, but as long as below 250k, yung annual income, wala ka na talagang babayaran. Kasi tandaan mo, meron tayong tax exemption na 250,000 sa lahat yan ng taxpayer. So, for our last question, galing naman to kay Enaya Lee. Ang tanong niya is, Hi ma'am, online ESL teacher po ako. May withholding tax po na dinededuct sa income ko by the company. Hindi ko po ba ilalagay yon sa creditable tax withheld? Actually, narinig ko na to eh. Merong mga freelancers na ang kanilang employer is local company, dito lang sa Pilipinas, and then yung employer nila yung nagbabayad ng kanilang tax. So, yes, you will have to include that on your income tax report sa quarterly at saka sa annual income tax. So, kailangan mo rin nung document ng BIR form na pinafile nila. So, make sure to get a copy. Kasi gagamitin mo yan as a supporting document sa iyong annual ITR. So, that would be all for our Q&A. Let's now proceed with the video tutorial. And I have different video guides for you. Meron ako sa first, yung sa mga naka 8% flat rate. Second, yung mga naka-graduated rates with optional standard deduction. Third, yung mga naka-graduated rates with itemized deduction. So, please refer to the video description below at i-click mo yung link depende sa kung anong tax rate ang applicable sa'yo. See you guys in a bit.